Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Glad to know you guys are joining me again for another video. This time we're going to be checking out this new 2026 Honda Passport TrailSport Elite in this super clean ash green metallic paint job. The Elite is the top trim option you can choose for this model, so let's see what this Passport has to offer. As usual, we'll start with the exterior to show you what the car looks from the outside. We'll talk about performance and then move on to the interior and so on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to subscribe. I do have more videos incoming, but for now, enjoy till next time. Thank you. Starting at the front, Honda went pretty aggressive this year. You got this bold wide grille with a Passport name stamped right into the fascia, and the hood line sits higher and longer than the previous generation, which gives it a tougher, more upright look. The TrailSport Elite also gets amber LED daytime running lights, which really stand out, especially if you're into the rugged overland style. The full LED headlights are sharp, bright, and sit high enough to stay protected while off-roading. Now, because this is the TrailSport Elite, you get high visibility recovery hooks up front, and these things are very beefy. Bright orange, corrosion resistant, and actually rated to support twice the vehicle's weight. Honda engineered them to break away in a crash, so they don't affect the actual safety ratings of this vehicle, which is pretty wild. And for extra peace of mind, underneath you'll get a legit steel skid plate to protect the oil pan, gas tank, and transmission whenever you find yourself off-roading. Under the hood, the Passport TrailSport Elite runs Honda's new 285 horsepower 3.5 liter V6 engine, which is paired with a new 10-speed automatic transmission. It's smooth, it's responsive, and it comes with pedal shifters if you want manual control. Fuel economy is pretty solid for this class at 18 in the city, 23 on the highway with a 20 combined. But the real magic is the new IVT-M4 all-wheel drive system. This is the second generation, and it can send 70% of the power to the rear and 100% of that to either wheel. So if one wheel is on the mud or rock, the system can decide exactly where to push torque. And for the off-roaders, you got the Trail Torque Logic, a unique off-road suspension tune, and general grabber all-terrain tires developed especially for the TrailSport trims. It also comes with 7 drive modes, including snow, sand, tow, and trail. Moving on to the side, the Passport looks wide and planted. Honda widened the track for better stability, and fender flares sit out farther than the old model, giving it more presence. Now, these are not the standard wheels with the TrailSport Elite. These are the HPD package that you can add on later on, but regardless, they look nice. Standard are going to be these ones right here, 18-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires. The mirrors are power folding, heated, and auto dimming. You also get puddle lights, roof rails, and an acoustic windshield and front side glass to help keep the cabin quiet even with those all-terrain tires. Alright, moving on to the back, Honda redesigned the rear end completely. The Passport name is stamped right into the steel tailgate, and the taillights have a clean LED signature. The power tailgate comes with hands-free access, and it also has walk-away close. So if your hands are full, you literally just walk away and it shuts automatically. The TrailSport Elite also gets a metallic silver skid garnish and integrated rear recovery points built into the Class 3 trailer hitch. And because Honda shortened the rear overhang and increased the ground clearance, the departure angle is much better for actual trail driving. Hopping inside, starting with the back, the rear seat legroom has been increased by over an inch, so that means passengers will have more extra room to stretch out. The TrailSport Elite gets rear climate controls, rear door sunshades, extra ambient lighting, and USB-C ports. The seats fold 60/40 with one-touch buttons on the sides, which makes loading super easy. Cargo space is one of the biggest improvements this year. You get up to 44 cubic feet behind the second row and over 83 cubic feet with the seats down. The cargo floor is wider now, and Honda redesigned the underfloor compartment so it fits more stuff. Recovery, gear, backpacks, tools, whatever you need. Up front, the interior has a clean, modern, and rugged vibe. The TrailSport Elite gets a perforated leather seats with black piping, orange stitching, and they're both heated and ventilated. You also get power front seats with driver memory. There's a huge improvement in the storage too. You got deep door bins, a massive center console, and a shelf above the glove box, and a wide tray in front of the shifter that holds two smartphones side by side. The panoramic moonroof comes standard on the TrailSport Elite, and it really brightens up the cabin. Tech is where the new Passport really jumps ahead. Every TrailSport Elite gets a 12.3 HD touchscreen, 54% larger than last year, a 10.2-inch digital driver display fully customizable, Google built-in with Maps, Assistant, and Play Store, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 15-watt wireless phone charger, USB-C fast charging, and a Bose 12-speaker premium audio system designed specifically for this cabin. Because this is the TrailSport Elite, you also get Trail Watch, which uses multiple cameras to show the placement and obstacles when you're off-roading. It automatically activates at slower speeds and even turns back on if you drop under 12 miles per hour. Super helpful on gnarly trails. Safety is huge on the new Passport. Honda upgraded their entire safety suite for the 2026 year. The SUV now comes standard with collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, blind spot with lane change assist, traffic jam assist, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a new wide view camera with radar, 8 airbags including knee airbags, and next-gen passenger airbags designed for angle impacts. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I do like the path that Honda is taking with these trail-ready SUVs, but I would like to hear your opinions. Are you buying one, or perhaps do you own one? Share with us in the comments, and if you liked the video or found it useful, I hope that's enough to earn you subscription. Also, a quick thanks to John Eagle Honda for making this happen. But that's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and till next time. Later.